Whenever someone has tried something different, which doesn't comply to the social norm, the society has termed it inappropriate. It needs courage, belief, and determination to pursue something different. One has to be ready for continuous evaluation, ever increasing criticism, glares, and questions of the society. But people who have a strong will and have the courage to face all this set an example and lead lives which inspire others to follow. Sheila Davre's life is a story of self-belief, determination, and perseverance. Sheila had studied up to class 12th, and breaking the norms of a patriarchal society, she left her parental home in Parbhani district at a young age of 18 and went to Pune. With passion as her companion and mere 12 rupees in her pocket, she was determined to chase her dreams. Things were not easy, and she saw her dreams withering. While she also started considering to return to her home, she thought that she was good at driving and why not take it up as her profession? Driving auto rickshaw as a profession was dominated by men dressed in khaki uniform. And here came Sheila, who broke the norm and dressed in her regular salwar kameez, drove the auto rickshaw around the lanes of Pune. In the 1980s, it was not considered safe for girls to even move around alone in auto rickshaws. And driving an auto rickshaw, no one could have ever thought as a profession for girls. Sheila's journey had a lot of bumps and speed breakers too. When she started, the first opposition came from her parents. They were very angry with her decision. Then she came across people who were unwilling to rent out their auto rickshaws to her just because she was a woman. And they had their inhibitions if she would drive their vehicle safely or not. Such concerns on her capabilities were built upon the conservative image of women being unsafe drivers. But Sheila was strong-willed, and she connected with many women associations who further helped her avail opportunities to drive auto rickshaws when the regular drivers were on leave. It was not a normal sight to see a woman driving an auto rickshaw, and it was normal for Sheila to come across people making remarks on her and giving her strange looks, but all this didn't deter the brave woman. And that's how her journey took off. Sheila's name was recorded in the Limca Book of World Records as the first woman auto rickshaw driver in India, earning a meager income from these rides and saving every penny. She managed to buy an auto rickshaw and rented a room in a slum for herself. Sheila came across several situations where she felt extremely threatened. Once, a traffic constable, following a heated argument, hit her. But the courageous Sheila hit him right back. She was moved to see the support which was offered by auto rickshaw union members who joined hands to protest against the attack. For over 13 years, from 1988 till 2001, Sheila drove vehicles including auto rickshaw, matador, and also a school bus. Pertaining to health issues, she had to stop driving. Sheila got married to Sirish Kamble, who was also an auto driver. Both of them drove their auto rickshaws individually till 2001. They became parents of 2 daughters. Sirish stood like a pillar of strength for his wife through all the situations. Sheila and Sirish started their own travel company. Sheila, a driver who took control of her life, now wants to enable many more by becoming the driving force for all those women who want to steer their own lives.